In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion offline, a simple tutorial for beginners. Whether you're on a flight, working from a place with spotty internet, or just prefer to disconnect now and then, knowing how to use Notion offline can be a lifesaver. Let's dive into it. First things first, open your Notion app while you're connected to Wi-Fi. This step is crucial because Notion is a web-based tool and relies quite a bit on internet connectivity. But don't worry, with the app, you can prepare your workspace for offline use. Once you've got the app open, you'll want to give it a moment or two to sync with your workspace online. This process involves downloading all the necessary data from your cloud account to your local device. Taking this step ensures that the pages you might need later are accessible when you don't have internet access. Next, you'll want to allow your pages to sync for offline use. What does that mean? Essentially, you're giving the app time to store your data on your device. Notion handles this automatically, but to ensure all your pages are available offline, scrolling through them can be a practical step. This action helps because it prioritizes the caching of the pages you visited. Make it a habit to do this for any important notes or documents that you anticipate needing when offline. A little preparation can make a big difference. Now, when you're offline, accessing cached pages is straightforward. Open the Notion app as you normally would and navigate to the pages you had previously synced. These pages will be available for viewing and editing even without an internet connection. It's a seamless experience designed to feel just like when you're online. Though keep in mind that new changes won't be sent to the server until you're reconnected. Finally, when you're back online, all those updates you made while offline will sync automatically. That's the beauty of Notion. It manages the synchronization without you having to lift a finger. If you've made changes to any pages, they'll be uploaded to the cloud, ensuring that your data is consistent across all your devices. So when you reconnect to the internet, just give the app a moment to sync up, and you're good to go. And there you have it. You're now ready to use Notion offline effectively, ensuring productivity at any time, anywhere. Keep these steps in mind, and you'll find working offline is as efficient as when you're surfing the web. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial. Remember, preparation is key, so always open and sync your Notion pages before you head offline. Until next time, happy organizing with Notion.